I have a list of the most viewed tattoo TikToks ever, and we're gonna be reacting to them. Maybe we'll laugh, maybe we'll cry, maybe we'll cringe, but let's just jump right into it. Geez, this first one has 58 million views, so let's take a look at it. Has the UV ink, which is super awesome, I love that. Lightning bolt. Very nice. So he has a UV outline, UV ink outline with a very realistic black and gray face. Now, I have a love-hate relationship with UV ink. Sometimes you're able to see it if it's under a UV light, but other than that, it just looks black and gray, which realistically, I mean, the black and gray does look good, so it is a win-win. And then you have that little extra magic if you put it under a UV light. 58 million views. I wonder what else we're gonna see. Okay, so this next one has 46.3 million views, and let's take a look. Oh, I saw this. This went super viral when it first happened. Oh my god, I know what's gonna happen. If you haven't seen this video, this is painful to watch. Imagine going in, you have your reference photo, you go in, and you're like, hey, I want this. And then next thing you know, you end up with that. How pissed are you? I would be so pissed, yo. I'd be punching the air and then probably the artist. Okay, this one, 19.4 million views, so let's take a look. Oh my god, why does he have that look in his face? You know, I was about to say, did you get something and you were revealing it with like a napkin, but then I saw that it's just a stencil, so I'm hoping and praying for you that it was just a stencil and you just did it for the video. Never get something trendy. I mean, it might be funny at first, but just don't get it. Just don't get something like that. All right, so this next one, a modest 34 million views. Let's take a look.
Messing with my clients.
Messing with my clients. All right. Prepping the area to get tattooed. Let's take a look. Okay, nice flower. Oh man, that was kind of funny. I never seen that before. That tripped me out for a second. He should just get that tattoo. I can understand why that one got 34 million views. That's pretty damn funny. This one has 68 million views. Let's take a look. So they're getting food. Oh my god. What the hell? She went out to dinner or lunch or whatever, and then the waiter had two, not one, two of the exact same tattoos. And also, they weren't really like common ones, which that is just like insane. Can you imagine that? That has to not only be awkward, but freaky as hell. Okay, moving on to the next one. 34.2 million views.
Client, I want this exact anime tattoo, please.
Okay.
Me, I don't copy other tattoos.
As you shouldn't. Don't copy anybody else's work. Make it your own. Realism, Death Note, pretty cool.
No one's watching us.
Okay, I can see where this is going. Stencil. 9 million likes too on this. Alright, I want to see the finish. Oh, okay, there it is. That is insane. He specializes in realism, and I could see why. That thing was nice. Now, that just goes to show, listen to your artist. If your artist has an idea and they want to do something a little bit different or just even crazier, let them do it. 20 million views for this next one. Let's look. I accidentally gave the wrong tattoo to my wife. How do you give somebody the wrong tattoo? Oh my god. He tattooed, this has to be fake. He tattooed the ex-girlfriend's name on there when he was supposed to get his wife. So let's finish this. Oh, he's pissed. My ex was Kelly. Oh my god. This has to be a prank. What is he gonna do? Oh, okay. Alright, so it was a prank. I never seen anything like that before. The guy, the client, was like trying to be super calm and super nice, but how can you be calm in that situation? Wasn't actually permanent though, so. 26 million views, getting a tattoo gun and tattooing my friend's gone wrong, oh boy. He doesn't look good, he doesn't look happy. At least you're wearing gloves. Oh my god. Oh my god. So stupid. What not to do? That's definitely going to be raised too, because it looks like he went super deep into the skin, which is going to cause your skin to raise. Hurts my soul. This next one, 2.1 million views. Let's take a look. Severe allergic reaction to the ink. Oh! Oh my god. Your skin's like eating away. That is a bad tattoo infection. It looks so good in the beginning. I don't know what the situation was, but that definitely looks like a lack of cleaning and taking care of your tattoo. Ugh. That freaks me out. 13.3 million views this next one. Let's take a look.
I got a new tattoo on the school bus.
I do get
I was not
skeeved out easily, but let's do it. Bring it on.
My whole leg got infected. I just thought something you guys should know.
Oh, getting tattooed on a bus and not taking care of it. What do you expect is gonna happen with that? Your leg literally looks like it's about to fall off. That's so gross, man. Tattoo infection freaks me out, and that it's just so gross looking. Always get tattooed in a sterile environment and keep that thing clean, for God's sakes, or else that's gonna happen. 36 million views on this one, and let's take a look. Oh my god, it's going into his belly button. No. Oh my god, that has to be painful. I am somebody that hates getting their belly button touched at all, and I can only imagine getting it tattooed. Oh, look at the pain in his face, dude. Oh my god, that was so quick. Like, people are insane. What are you even getting that involves your belly button getting tattooed? If there was one place that I will never get tattooed, is the belly button. I think about getting the nipple tattooed and all the other parts on your body, but the belly button is definitely something that I am staying far away from. And that was the most viewed tattoo TikToks on earth. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video.